Hi everybody, this is Cameron from CryptoCam. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day today. It is Sunday and it is July the 9th. Just bringing you this update on the Tezos crowdfunding. As you can see, everything is going extremely well. Now, it's not too late to get in on the bonus. They are giving a 5% bonus still. The minimum contribution is 0.1 of a Bitcoin, or about 0.92 of an Ether. I believe it will tell you if you just click on it here. Yeah, it's actually 1.041 Ether. And for that you will receive 500 Tezos, or Tezos as they say, plus a 5% bonus, which would be about 25 extra. So if you do the minimum contribution, you should receive about 525. Now it has gone down, of course, as far as the bonus goes. It started off at 20%. Congrats to all those people got in at 20%. It went down to 15, down to 10. Now it's down at 5%, and it soon will probably go to 0. So get in now if you still want to join and contribute to this Tezos crowdfunder. So right now we are rapidly approaching about $220 million. It is actually blowing everything out of the water right now. $220 million has been contributed pretty much so far, and there's still about just under almost 4 days left now. So anyway, a lot of people have been concerned about, is it a risky investment and could they lose all their money? The answer to that question is absolutely yes, you could lose all your money. Everything in the investment field is a risk. You put up risk capital and to get a reward. Now, if you don't risk anything, you're not going to get the reward. So those people that risk capital, they are actually going to get rewarded if things work out. Now, obviously, things cannot work out and they could go the other way. You could lose your money. So once again, never invest any more money than you can actually afford to lose. So if your risk tolerance is on this, say, the minimum, which is about $250, $260, if that's your risk tolerance, get in on the minimum. If your risk tolerance is higher, buy more. If you just prefer to sit and wait out on the sidelines, you can definitely do that as well. But there's a lot of people that said, oh, it's too high risk, don't get into it, I wouldn't even touch it. To those people I say, that's fine, you're welcome to sit and not invest and just bide your time. But even in the stock market, investing in a IPO, such as Twitter, was very risky. A lot of people lost a lot of money in Twitter IPO. H Communications as well. These are all IPOs where people have lost money, and you just don't know what's going to happen. It's just a gamble. Basically, that's what the Wall Street casino is. It's just a gamble, but you can make money, and the returns can be pretty good. Anyway, a lot of people have said, well, the team isn't very good. They don't have experience, and it's obvious they don't have 100% best experience in the world. But we've got Arthur and Kathleen Brightman. They do have extensive Wall Street backgrounds. Tim Draper stated in a recent interview with CNBC, he's a venture capitalist, very well known on Wall Street. He's invested in a lot of IPOs, and I'm sure he wouldn't take a plunge into an ICO if he didn't think it was viable. So he said, the best thing I can do is lead by example. Over time, I actually feel that some of these tokens are going to improve the world, and I want to make sure those tokens get promoted as well. And I think Tezos is one of them. So that was a good, definitely, plug for the Tezos ICO as well. Now, as far as Kathleen and Arthur Brightman go, they are Wall Street people. They've worked for Goldman Sachs in their high-frequency trading desk, and was an options market maker at Morgan Stanley, while Kathleen is a former management associate at Bridgewater Associates, the world's largest hedge fund. So these people do have a lot of experience as well. Now, a lot of people say, well, it's uncapped. Okay, so it is uncapped. But, if it is a success, it will be definitely a very profitable venture for anybody who is subscribed and got in early. And it's usually the early ones that get rewarded. So the early investors always, get rewarded pretty good. But, Tim Draper, he actually bought into Bitcoin back a little while ago. He scored a lot of Bitcoins in a US Marshall's Bitcoin auction as well. So he definitely has some experience in cryptocurrency as well. So let's have a look at where we are as far as the trading goes for Bitcoin. Looks like we're 25.33. So everything's all in steady. Ethereum's at 243. So you can make your contributions in Bitcoin or Ether. And I've got another video. You just follow the instructions on that video that'll help you invest in the crowd fund. But once again, everything's a risk. Wall Street is a risk. This is a risk. I know it's unregulated, but even in the regulated markets, if you buy into some of these IPOs, you can definitely lose money. But anyway, that's all I have for now. We're counting down, just a few days left now until it's all over. So it looks like everything is running really good. So we appreciate everybody that is looking into this and has invested so far. Once again, this is not financial advice, so I'm just doing my own personal reviews and voicing my opinions. I've invested, I've contributed and got about 635 Tezos. So yeah, just do your own due diligence and definitely make your own decision after doing your own research, etc. Thanks again. Please subscribe and like my videos. I appreciate any new subscribers. I'll be bringing you more out, and hopefully we can proceed together on this amazing blazing new trail in the world of cryptocurrency. Thanks again. Bye for now.